The menu bar at the top consists of a series of pull-down menus used for accessing different functionality in Poser 7, Python scripts, the different rooms, various tools, lighting tools, animation tools, rendering, and so forth. The light controls allow you to adjust lighting properties and use it for such things as adding or removing lights and specifying light colors and other properties. So each one of these little circles that I'm moving now represents one of the lights, and the big ball represents the scene, so you can sort of generally get an idea of the effect of the light on the scene. Of course, you can look at the window and see the same thing, but as you're moving the lights, this helps you position the lights. At the bottom of each light is the light color, and when you click on that, you can use an eyedropper to change the color of the light. These are the light properties, and this is how you delete a light, this is how you create a light. And this is the light intensity. You can increase or decrease it. Let's take a look at the light properties.